This is also related to ratio and proportion and mixture or alligation. The ratio of oil and water in a mixture of 56 liters is 2:5. What is the amount of oil to be added to make this ratio 5:2? We can solve in X method or in ratio method. Okay. First, in a mixture of 56 liters, that is definite number, oil and water is in the ratio 2:5. 2 parts oil, 5 parts water. Total 2 plus 5 is 7 parts. That is nothing but 56 liters. 7 parts is 56 liter. Therefore, 1 part is 8 liters. Then oil 2 part. 2 part means 2 into 8, 16 liters. Water 5 part. 5 into 8, that is 40 liters. After this, what is the amount of oil to be added to make the ratio 5:2? What is the amount of oil to be added means they are just speaking about oil, means water is constant. Water is constant or water is same. Initially, water was how much? 40 liters. Now also water is same. So, below 2, if you write 40, it denotes 2 parts is equal to 40 liter. 1 part means 20 liters. Therefore, 5 part means 5 into 20, that is 100 liters. Initially, oil was 16 liters. Now it is 100 liters. How much oil is added means 100 minus 16, that is 84 liters. So, option D is the answer. We can solve in X method also. For some questions, X method will be easy. Listen here. You already found amount of oil, that is 16, amount of water, that is 40 liters. They are asking what is the amount of oil to be added. What is the amount of oil to be added means for this oil component only add that unknown component. Don't add for water. What is the amount of oil to be added means for only for oil component we should add this X. Then the ratio. The ratio means division. The ratio becomes 5/2. When is equal to is there, numerator, if it is having any common factor, you can cancel. See denominator, 2 ones are 2 20s are. Then 16 plus X is equal to 25 are 100. Then X is equal to 100 minus 16, that is 84 liters. So, in this question, X method is easy. So, you can follow any method. So, in our class, we will solve in both methods. Anyone you can follow.